And you're going to go faster and faster and faster and faster until you're getting going as fast as you can in that gear. Then what do? You put in the clutch. That's this point right here. You put in the clutch, you reach for another gear, you let out the clutch, and you accelerate into that next gear. Very mechanical. I hope that builds a good picture, because what we're going to be talking about. It accelerated from the Big Bang, accelerated faster and faster and faster, all the way up to this fifth day. Now, you understand that things were bashing into one another and blending in solar systems, exploding and all that, all the way up till about 5 billion years ago, which was this fifth day. What happened then? That was the birthday of our solar system. In every one of these fifth days, it's the biggest opening for consciousness of the whole deal. It races up to that point, and then, wow! Okay? So it would go, 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 all the way up till this period, and then the solar system was formed. That's a big event for all of us. Then, during this fifth night, that's when everything gets applied, right? What happened? 250 million years of meteor bombardment. All the leftover junk in the solar system started plowing into all the formed planets. And the moons. Luna still has all the scars. All of the other planets without atmospheres still have the craters on them. Ours are a little bit toned down, but the Hudson Bay is a crater from that period of time. There are many. There's about 5 major ones on this planet. They're still pretty prominent. Those meteors just plowed into everything. Good thing they did, too. Because every drop of water on this planet came in with those comets. Every single drop. If that didn't happen, your bodies would be really small. Because you're like 87% water. Yes?
Hi. I've been watching some of your tapes and previous talks, and I remember when you brought this out, I was thinking, okay, my question would be, like, okay, with the book that you brought out by Dr. Kalaman, is this where all of this information is coming from? I mean, I never learned that kind of thing in school.
Yeah. Well, no, actually, so the information, both of us have done a lot of research.
So it's there's scientific backup on all of this?
Absolutely.
Scientific proof of all of that, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
There is scientific proof of everything that we're talking about. If it is not, I'm going to say it's conjecture. Because there's one coming up, as a matter of fact, a conjecture. So, that's what happened. Big breakthrough and then big bombs. Okay? Then, in this cycle, this fifth day, 315 million years ago, what happened is life took a walk on the beach. Everything back here is underwater. All the development of life was underwater. In the fifth day, the animals started crawling out onto the beach. Life moved to the land. 315 million years ago. Look it up. Then, during the fifth night, 97% of all life went extinct. In the Perm-Triassic extinction period. Pow! Another one of those comets. Slammed into the earth, and 97% of all life was eradicated. The only thing left was little squiggly worms in the mud at the bottom of oceans. And it all evolved back. We have the paleontological records of all of this. Up here in this familiar section, during the fifth day, this is when life scientists conjecture that color vision was installed in mammals. Color vision came in right then. And right here, during this fifth night, we don't know what happened. We don't have any conclusive data of anything that occurred there. But the monkeys made it, or we wouldn't be here. Whatever they went through. But here in the tribal cycle, this fifth day is 800,000 years ago. And something very special happened during this fifth day. Very important. Fire. It's when the Homo erectus got the consciousness of fire. All over the world, all the different places, it was sort of like the 100th monkey syndrome. Within some 3,500, 4,000 years, everybody had the consciousness of fire during that fifth day. It's a really good thing, too, because 68,000 years ago, 680,000 years ago, we had the Ionian Ice Age. During the fifth night.